Alright folks, so another repair. We replaced the outlet tee and installed a new bell pipe, which you would call a bell pipe. It was collapsed, and so we put a new one in, but we hit the sprinkler line over. We hit it here, pulled it, and snapped it right here, so we're going to repair that. And then this is a cast iron pipe which comes from a sink on the deck, comes down, comes in, boom, right here. We busted that 45, so we'll be repairing that. Another sprinkler line right here, barely missed that one. So the yard is loaded with 1.25 inch sprinkler lines. So that's it. Hadn't been too hard. It was going to be a full field line replacement with 200 foot of chamber, but we were able to save them some money, found out the problem, and made sure the field lines were taking the liquid, and sure enough, boom. That's it. Saved the man probably a couple of thousand. We'll see you.